Good morning, or perhaps good afternoon. Avatar Craig here, contemplating the dream of an online empire from the comfort of your pajamas. What if you could build that empire without facing the harsh glare of a ring light? Just pure anonymous success. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? I took the AI Faceless list builder for a spin, so you don't risk being recognized at the grocery store as that affiliate marketer. This is affiliate marketing on stealth mode, a one-time investment for a face-free operation. What's inside? Editable funnel templates, copy-paste AI prompts, pre-written emails, plus a bonus chat GPT bot, your new digital sidekick. Here's where it gets interesting. The AI Faceless List Builder is proudly anti-guru. No over-caffeinated just hustle bro videos. Zero pressure to buy a Lamborghini. The training is refreshingly non-techy. Email-based affiliate strategies. Build your list, send offers, let your inbox do the talking. Your face stays out. Commissions, thankfully, do not. Quick launch checklists will get you from no idea to launched before your coffee gets cold. Now the brass tacks, the good, the not so good, and the overall impression. You want the real scoop before handing over your hard-earned coffee money. The good, wallet-friendly, and brain-easy. Cheaper than my last takeout order, and that was just a sad salad. For the tech-phobic, it's copy-paste, prosper. No bribing teenage nephews. The not-so-good, shallow waters and AI overload. Traffic training is kiddie pool depth. For comprehensive insights, you might need OTO1. Then there's the AI dependency. If you write grocery lists by hand, you might break out in digital hives. Overall impression, a bargain price, user-friendly setup, and a heavy dose of AI magic. It delivers what it promises, a good starting block for list builders. So, is it for you? A quick self-quiz. Do you break out in hives when someone says, just share your story? Would you rather have a checklist than a 90-minute pep talk? Does high-ticket mastermind make you run for the hills? Are you curious about AI? Do you secretly wish you could build a funnel without showing your face? If you answered yes to at least two, congratulations. You are officially a faceless list builder in the making. We don't have t-shirts, for obvious reasons. Reality check, no magic bullet. You still have to do the work, but most can be automated in your pajamas. In the end, whether you end up with a faceless fortune or just a decent side hustle, you'll have tried something new. And you did it all in your pajamas. That's what I call a win. And that, my friends, concludes my unbiased review. If you appreciated this insightful commentary, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time.